माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो अब हम एक टॉपिक करने वाले हैं इंग्लिश का, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। द नेम इज़ वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन वर्ड्स। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स सी हम आज कितने नंबर ऑफ वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट है वन हु हैव बिकम डिपेंडेंट ऑन समथिंग और ड्रग। जो डिपेंडेंट हो समथिंग ऑन ड्रग उसे हम कहते हैं अडेक्टेड राइट। उसे हम कहते हैं अडेक्टेड। फियर ऑफ बीइंग इनक्लोज्ड इन अ स्मॉल क्लोज स्पेस। जब हम एक स्मॉल क्लोज स्पेस में रहते हैं हमें डर लगता है, इसे हम बोलते हैं क्लास्ट्रोफोबिया इसे हम बोलते हैं क्लास्ट्रोफोबिया। कॉल अपॉन गॉड or any other power for help or protection. Call upon God, any other power for help protection, इसे हम कहते हैं, उसे कहा जाता है इन्वोकेशन। उसे हम कहते हैं इन्वोकेशन, जब हम किसी गॉड की हेल्प मांगते हैं। सर्वल अब्यूसिव राइटिंग इन जनरल सर्वल अब्यूसिंग राइटिंग इन जनरल इसका स्कोरिलियस इसे एक वर्ड में कहते हैं स्कोरिलियस। ए पर्सन हु अपोज वार और यूज़ ऑफ मिलिट्री फोर्स, पैसिफिस्ट उसे कहते हैं पैसिफिस्ट। अ पर्सन हु अपोज वार और यूज़ ऑफ मिलिट्री फोर्सेस, पैसिफिस्ट। वन नॉट कंसर्न विद राइट और रॉन्ग, अमोरल उसे कहते हैं अमोरल। समथिंग नो लॉन्गर इन यूज़ इज कॉल्ड ऑब्सोल्यूट उसे कहते हैं हम ऑब्सोल्यूट। जो कई टाइम से यूज़ ना उसे कहते हैं एब्सोल्यूट कर देते हैं ना। स्टेडली डन, समथिंग डन इन क्विट एंड सीक्रेट वे इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड बीइंग नोटिस, उसे हम कहते हैं सर्स्पिटिशियस, उसे कहा जाता है सर्स्पिटिशियस। वर्ड रिटन ऑन टोम, वर्ड जो टॉम पे लिखे जाते हैं उसे कहते हैं एपिथिपा। अ पर्सन विद लॉन्ग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एनी ऑक्यूपेशन, ऑक्यूपेशन इज विट्रन। समथिंग कैपेबल ऑफ बीइंग डन, फिजिबल। अ पर्सन कमिंग टू अ फॉरेन लैंड टू सेटल हेयर, इमिग्रेंट। Anything which is no longer in use, obsolete, same है। A person who is unable to pay debate, insolvent। Capable of being understood in either of two or more possible sense or therefore not definite। Capable of being understood in either of two or more possible sense and therefore not definite। ambiguous, a short poem or speech addressed to the spectator after the conclusion of drama। a short poem or speech, जो शॉर्ट पोएम स्पीच एड्रेस करते हैं स्पेक्टरर आफ्टर कंक्लूजन ऑफ ड्रामा उसे कहते हैं एपिलॉगी। एक्ट ऑफ डिसेविंग समबडी इन ऑर्डर टू मेक मनी, फ्रॉड। फ्लैट मेटल और पोर्सलेन प्लेट फिक्स्ड ऑन अ वॉल एज एन ऑर्नामेंट और मेमोरियल, इसे कहते हैं प्लेक्विक। समथिंग टू कट इनटू टू पीसेस, सेवर। सक्सेशन ऑफ रूलर बिलोंगिंग टू वन फैमिली, डायनेस्टी। To reseize control of a vehicle in order to force it to go to a new destination of demand something, hijack। lasting only for moment, momentary। one who is indifferent to pleasure or pain, stoic। the practice or art of the choosing, cooking and eating good food, gastronomy। the practice of art of choosing, cooking and eating good food, gastronomy। killing of a child, infanticide। killing a child, infanticide. One who believe in offering equal opportunity to women in all sphere, जो बिलीव करता है ऑफर करने के लिए, इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए विमेन को इन स्पेयर में, उसे कहते हैं फेमिनिस्ट. वन हु स्टडी इलेक्शन ट्रेंड बाय मीन्स ऑफ ओपिनियन पोल, पैसोफ्लोस्टिक. अ डॉक्टर हु ट्रीट चिल्ड्रन, पेडिएट्रिशियन. एक डॉक्टर जो बच्चों को ट्रीट करते हैं उसे कहते हैं पेडिएट्रिशियन. वन हु थिंक अबाउट द फ्यूचर विद इमेजिनेशन एंड विजडम, विजनरी. गिव एंड रिसीव म्यूचुअली, रेसिप्रोकेट. अ बिल्डिंग वेयर एन ऑडियंस सिट, ऑडिटोरियम. अ बिल्डिंग वेयर ऑडियंस सिट, ऑडिटोरियम. The first model of a new device is prototype. A first model of new device is called prototype. Tough tissue in joints. Tough tissues in joint ligaments. The study of map, cartography. The study of map is called cartography. A person who break into house in order to steal, Bangalore. A person who break house into order to steal, Bangalore. The study of origin and history of the word, etymology. The study of the origin and history of the word, etymology. One who can walk on rope. One who can walk on a rope is funambulist. Belonging to all part of the word, cosmopolitan. One who hate mankind. One who hate mankind, Mastoroph. One who goes to settle in another country, immigrant. Constant effort to achieve something, perseverance. Constant effort to achieve something, perseverance. A person who believe in total abolition of war, pacifist. A person who believe in total abolition of war, pacifist. A four-footed animal. A four-footed animal, quadruped. Ready to believe anything, Ceridiolius. Ready to believe anything, Ceridiolius. That which lasts for a short time, transitory. That which lasts for short time, transitory. Indifferences to pleasure or pain. Sotasium. A body of person appointed to hear evidence or judge and give their verdict decision, उसे कहते हैं हम jury. The essential for characteristic, custom, habit and convention of society of community, mores. A system of government in which only one political party is allowed to function, totalitarianism. One who collect the coins is called numeralist. One who collect the coin, numinist. Violence of something holy and scary. Violence of something holy and scary. A broad road bordered with tree. A broad road, एक broad road है और bordered with trees is called boulevard. Animal who believe in herds. Zero gregarious. Animal who believe in herds, zero gregarious. The mother of parent or near related, parricide. A mother of parents or near related, parricided. A mild or indirect expression substitute for an offering or harassed one, euphonimism. A mild or indirect expansion substitute for the offenses and harass, euphonimism. One who believe in no government and therefore incident disorder in a state, anarchist. One who secretly listen to talk other, eavesdropper. Eva Dropper. Science of disease pathology. Science of disease pathology. One who is beyond reform, incorrigible. Incorrigible. One who is beyond reform, incorrigible. Concluding part of literature work. Concluding part of a literacy work. Epilogue. The act of killing whole group of people. The act of killing whole group of people, especially a whole race. Genocide से कहते हैं हम genocide. The act of killing whole group of people, especially a whole race. Genocide. One who stay away from the school without permission. One who stay away from the school without permission. Torrent. A person without training or experience in a skill of a subject. Novices. Destruction of a dead body to find the cause of the death. Autopsy. से हम कहते हैं autopsy. The study of religion and religious idea and belief. Theology. The study of religious and religious idea and belief. Theology. इसे कहते हैं हम theology. One who indifferent to pain, pleasure, stoic. One who different pain and pleasure, stoic. A place where Jews and worship according to the religion. A place where the Jews worship according to the religion. Synagogues. An area to land there that is controlled by ruler dominio. One who is greedy, voracous. One who is greedy, voracous. Simple, fast spreading plant without flower or leaf, which is often cause of disease, fungus. Dry weather with no rain. Thought. Dry weather with no rain. Trot. Too much officially formalities. Red tapeism. Too much official formalities. Red tapeism. Too much officially formality. Red tapeism. Living together of a man and woman without married to each other is living in relation is called concubinage. Concubinage is called a concubinage. इसे हम कहते हैं concubinage. A place where government public record are kept. Archive. A place where the government public record are kept. Archive. A place where all religions are honored. Secular. Extensive preoccupation with one health. Hypochondria. Without risk of punishment. Impunity. Without risk and punishment. Impunities. Deep in thought. Deep in thought is called pensive. Deep in thought is called pensive. Deep in thought is called pensive. A jocular person who is full of amusing anecdotes. Walk. A jocular person who is full of amazing anecdotes. Walks. A silly look that is lustful. A silly look that is lustfully leer. Irresistible craving for alcoholic drink. Irresistible for alcoholic drink. Dipsomania. Irresistible craving for alcoholic drink इसे कहते हैं हम dipsomania. A hater of mankind. A hater of mankind. Mistophorus. Hater of mankind. Mistophorus. A remedy for all disease. Panacea. A remedy for all disease. Panacea. Something that is a poison and unhealthy, toxic. Something that is poisonous and unhealthy, toxic. The worship of ideal of image, idolatry. The worship of ideal or image, idolatry. A place where nuns live and work, convergent. A place where run off, live and walk, convergent. Violence of something holy and scary, sacrilege. One who destroy image or attack popular belief, iconoclast. One who destroy image or attack popular belief, iconoclast. Feeding on food made of both plant and fleshy, omnivorous. A woman having more than one husband at the same time, polyandry, polyandry कहलाते हैं. A den of small animal hutches. To take back, withdraw, renouance, resent. The habit of always admiring on self. The habit of always admiring on self, narcissism. One who intervenes between two and more parties to settle difference. One who intervenes between two and more parties to settle difference. Intermediary. One who desert his principle or belief. One who desert his principle or belief, renegade. Property handed down after the death of person, inheritage. Property handed down after the death of a person. One who breaks the established traditional and image. One who breaks the established tradition and image, iconoclast. One who believes in the gaining pleasure is the most important thing in a life, hedonist. Building in which a dead body is kept for a time, mortuary. Building in which dead body is kept at a time, mortuaries. Expert is a scientist study of bird, ornithology. Place a thing beside another. Jaxotopus. One who does not allow to usually way of life, Wominia. One who does not allow to usually way of life, Pneumonia. The first public speech delivered by a man, Maidan speech. The first public speech delivered by a man, Maidan speech. Wild and noisy disorder, Pandemonium. Wild and noisy disorder, Pandemonium. Generally view of person character profile. A person who is in with 17 Spectogeranium. Study of insect etymology. Study of insect etymology. Military walking up single in a morning reveille. The sound of the funeral bell, Kinil. One who has hobstate and narrow religion view, boycott. One who loves books, bibliophile. A short poem, a speech addressed to spectre to conclusion of the drama, epilogue. Cause or ending in death, fatal. Group of girls, baby. Believe that war and violence are unjustified. Pacifism. A wall build a prevent the sea or river from the floating of area, dike. A specialist who tests eyesight, optometrist. Commencement of the adjustment word with the same letter, alteration. One who walk in sleep, somnambulist. The government by officially bureaucracy. On very bad moral characteristic by debasement of degeneration, depraved. Body of human being or animal embellished and mummy. Something which cannot be built, incredible. A method which never fail, infallible. A place where birds are kept, aviary. A place where the birds are kept, aviary. The abandonment of one country and cause defection. Treatment by meaning of exercise as message, physiotherapy. Bitter and violence attack in word against something or something, diatribe. Motion had and mode of expression indicate attitude of gesture. To be biased against someone or something, prejudice. A person who never talk alcoholic drink. Teetotaler. A tank where fish or water plant are kept. Aquarium. A person devoted to sensual enjoyment, especially that diverted from the fine fold and drink. Epicurean.